I don't really have any words right now. I just took an Uber for 2 hours. It took me 2 hours to get to Bakersfield, and I am going to buy my RV today. I already saw it, but I'm just waiting for the people to get home. It was parked in their parking lot, so I got to see it before they get home. I saw the outside for a second. And then I walked to this park and I'm eating a snack. I have tostadas that I'm dipping in this guacamole salsa and queso Oaxaca. I'm so shocked at the amount of people at this park playing football. No social distancing, no masks, nothing. I'm just like, wow. Yeah. But I'm super excited to get my RV. I have one other person that could beat me to it, so I'm trying to be here early, and when the people get home, I am going to lock it in. It's a big risk to Uber all this way and see it for the first time in person, but compared to all the RVs that I've seen online, this is the one that I really want. The interior seems to have been kept up really well, even though it's a very old RV. So compared to what I've seen online, this would be a great RV to buy. So I'm just hoping that everything works out in person, and in less than 2 hours, I will be the new owner of a vintage RV.
So that's to start the engine. This is to open the doors, the cab doors.
Okay.
This is to open and unlock the coach door.
Okay.
And this is the deadbolt for the coach door, and this is the keys for the hatches.
Okay. Perfect. Alright, you guys, last night I slept in the RV, but sadly I will not be buying her. It's so sad. I don't really have any words right now because I came all this way to look at this RV, but unfortunately they didn't tell me that there was a problem with one of the plugs. Thankfully it kept breaking down while I was here. So I had actually bought the RV for like a minute and we did the paperwork, we did everything, and it just kept breaking down. So they gave me the money back, they took the paperwork, and yeah, I'm not buying the RV. She does nails, so she did my nails and we drank wine, and she ordered food, and we just like hung out.
Like, our friend sent us this. Yeah, do whatever you want to do.
Okay, thank you.
Our friend sent us this country song. Who was it? So yeah, in the beginning of that song, and it started that way while I was at work. It was quite embarrassing because I said all the curse words.
Oh my gosh.
I say all of the curse
I don't actually curse, so.
You don't?
No.
Neither does his cousin. Oh, I say all of them. So I apologize if I offend you.
No, it's fine for other people to curse, but it just doesn't feel me.
Okay.
Right
That's
on.
fine.
Yeah.
Both of his cousins. They say funny things. They'll say, what do they say? They say,
Everything besides the curse words.
or they'll say
let's try
weird,
some of
like
these.
funny things. Which is that weird, but they say different things.
Okay. Does my hair even fit in? My hair won't even fit in here. Let me see. Can I put it on? Okay, I'll just keep it on like this. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
My head won't fit in because of my hair, but.
So you want this finger here.
Uh-huh.
Walk up to it physically, yeah.
I see.
Yeah, mess with stuff.
Okay, yeah, I got it. Oh, it waved.
Yeah, wave at him.
Hi.
This would be a great VR advertisement.
And then I slept in the RV overnight, and I'm going back tonight. So it was my first time sleeping in an RV. I really like this size. I wasn't sure about a Class C size RV, but I actually really like the space. It's really, really spacious. It's definitely, I think it would be worth the hassle of having to worry about, you know, parking, because the space is really nice. There's another bed up here. And usually this table is set up with 2 chairs, but it folds into a bed as well. So this was really nice. I really enjoyed it. Leftover evidence.